I think I've had multiple attempts at recovery, and each time I always thought that I can manage, I can figure a way out.
Because for the longest time I thought that I'm capable of doing this on my own. I've done it once before, I can do it again.
एयरपोर्ट पे मैंने ड्रिंक्स किया था और जब मेरा लास्ट जो ड्रिंक था मैं वहीं पे फिट मतलब बार में ही गिर गई थी।
So basically, it was 2019 when someone first said to me that I have a problem with alcohol. After that, I was like, यार नहीं, मैं तो नहीं हूँ एल्कोहलिक। एल्कोहलिक तो होते जो रोज पीते हैं, मैं तो महीने 2 महीने में पीता हूँ एक बार। So this year itself in July, I somehow figured it out कि yes, बॉस प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत है। Because I was losing everything, opportunities were being created by me, but then again, due to alcohol, मतलब binge drinking में ऐसा था कि महीने 2 महीने में एक बार पीता था, लेकिन उस दिन सब कुछ खत्म कर देता था।
मैं एयरपोर्ट पे मैंने ड्रिंक्स किया था चोरी छुपे जाके मतलब बहाने से कि मेरे को वॉशरूम जाना है, इधर जाना है, तो वहाँ जाके मैंने ड्रिंक किया और एक से ज़्यादा किया। पहले सोचा 2 ड्रिंक करके आ जाऊँगी चुपचाप, पर वो 2 ड्रिंक के बाद फिर और एक मन किया, फिर ड्रिंक किया, तो मैंने 4-5 ड्रिंक शॉट्स में ले ली थी। और जब मेरा लास्ट जो ड्रिंक था मैं वहीं पे मतलब बार में ही गिर गई थी। उसके बाद फिर जब इन्होंने उठाया और फिर लेके गए तो वॉशरूम जाना था मुझे, तो मैं डायरेक्ट वॉशरूम में गिरी और मेरी नोज़ पे चोट लग गई थी। उसके नेक्स्ट डे मुझे वो टाइम के बाद तो मुझे पता नहीं मैं घर कैसे पहुंची एयरपोर्ट से, लेकिन मुझे सुबह होश आया तो जब मेरे को पूछा इन्होंने कि क्या करना है अभी, तब मैंने बोला ठीक है चलो।
So I think I underestimated the gravity of the situation I was in. I didn't give the disease of addiction the credit that it deserves, and I kind of over evaluated myself. And I think after multiple failures of trying the same thing again and again and again, when the last time led me to a hospital at the verge of a cardiac arrest.
When somebody realized and reached out to me and came knocking on my door and said, should we just go and get some help, is when I realized that this isn't possible on my own. I need the help, I need the support of people, like-minded people, people who can, who know, who've experienced, who've been there before. To be by myself, I was always scared. Everything scared. Being alone scared me. Even in my own house, I couldn't be alone. I had to have somebody there. If there was nothing, I had to have the TV on. There had to be some noise. Today, when I go home at night and there's nobody around, I can lay down and I can go to sleep very easily, knowing that my higher power is with me.
I was filled with resentment towards my parents, and I could not gather that courage ever to tell them that I am sorry for that. And जब यहाँ पे भी था so काफ़ी हम बात करते थे उस बारे में and I always wanted to, because when I came here and the journey was like कि I started feeling कि यार I was wrong, it was not their fault, it was not their fault. For me, saying I love you to my mom was very awkward. I never did that, but now it's a completely different story, and I'm proud of it that I at least moved forward and started doing it. So heart was always like peaker, all your bad characters comes out more and more, but I guess heart changes. Now I have a better understanding of what the person in front of you might be. Pehle it was like I used to judge people a lot. I used to judge them. If I'm sober and someone is, doing any random act or is not that normal. I used to judge, but now it's like I feel like kind of getting to the problem first, that kuch to problem hogi, that's why the person is like that.
What's the most precious gift recovery has given you?
My life. A sense of living. I was just existing. I was just there. I mean, now today I can wake up and decide what I want to do in that day. If I do or I don't want to do something, I can enjoy what I am doing. I can be there for people who need me. I can be there for myself. Earlier it was just, I was just either fallen down somewhere with a bottle in my hand or, passed out, not knowing where I was. But now, the awareness of things, that it's given me. I'm aware of everything that's happening around me, and I can choose to be or to do what I want.
कल सुबह मुझे सनराइज लेना है, कल सुबह ड्यूई लेना है. मैं बिल्कुल एक फ्रेशर की तरह बिहेव करने लग गई. इट वाज लाइक कि मैं फिर से, मतलब वो जो प्यार होता है ना, वो फिर से आ गया.
जब मैं पहले अपने आप को इतना तैयार होती थी तो बस निकल जाती थी कि पार्टी एंजॉय करनी है. अब जैसे तैयार होती हूँ तो मुझे खुशी होती है अपने आप को देखकर, ये बाल बनाने, ऐसे करने, वो करने.
You have a disease and there is a solution. It's not easy, but it's worth it. And if you're willing to go the distance, we are here to help.